Getting a wholesale license in Texas can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step for businesses looking to buy products tax-free for resale. Let's break down the process and make it simple to understand. In Texas, a wholesale license is actually called a sales and use tax permit. This permit allows businesses to purchase goods without paying sales tax, with the understanding that they'll collect and remit sales tax when selling to end consumers. The first step in obtaining your wholesale license is to register your business. You'll need to contact the IRS and apply for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is free and can be done online, with immediate results. Think of an EIN as a social security number for your business. Next, you'll need to choose the right business structure. Options include sole proprietorship, limited liability company, corporation, or partnership. Each has its own tax and legal implications, so it's wise to consult with a business attorney to determine the best fit for your situation. Once your business is registered and structured, it's time to apply for your sales and use tax permit. This is done through the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts website. The application is free, but be prepared to provide detailed information about your business, including your EIN and the type of goods you'll be selling. It's important to understand sales tax in Texas. The state rate is 6.25%, with local jurisdictions potentially adding up to 2% more. As a business owner, you'll be responsible for collecting this tax from customers and remitting it to the state. In addition to your sales and use tax permit, you'll need to complete a resale certificate when purchasing goods for wholesale. This certificate documents your tax-exempt transactions and must be kept on file. Depending on your specific business and location, you may need additional licenses or permits. These could include a business license, health permit, or zoning permit. Be sure to check with your local authorities to ensure full compliance. Remember, operating without a proper wholesale license can result in serious consequences. You could face fines, back taxes, and even the closure of your business. It's always better to follow the proper procedures from the start. Once you've obtained your wholesale license, you'll need to file regular sales tax returns. The frequency depends on your sales volume, but it could be monthly, quarterly, or annually. Accurate record keeping is crucial for this process. Obtaining a wholesale license in Texas may seem like a complex process, but it's an essential step for any business planning to buy and resell goods. By following these steps and staying compliant with state regulations, you'll be well on your way to running a successful wholesale operation in the Lone Star State.